Okay, G.I. Ron here. It's a Monday, January 23rd, 3:36. This is my 2011 Triple Threads football box 4 break. Everybody's paid. We have a lot of unsold teams. We may hold off on some boxes for a while. We had a few unsold teams last week, and this time we have a few more. So we'll get with these. Any cards that are on teams that were not sold, I will be placing those cards up on eBay. So here we go. And again, same rules always. Any multiplayer cards, first tiebreaker is if you have a player on that card, the person with the most teams bought will get it. If it's a tie, then it'll go to the player on the left or the top if it's a quad. So that's how we'll do that. Go to mini boxes. Pack 1. And pack 2. I feel the same. Okay, if you've seen any of my other breaks, I will rearrange the cards here so that the hits will be at the back. Do it behind this fancy silver plaque. So, here we go. First card, Tom Brady of the Superbound Patriots, and that is out of $9.99. Tom Brady, Patriots. Second card, San Diego Chargers, Junior Seau. That one is 209 out of 250. The next one, Jerry Rice, San Francisco 49ers, number 230 out of 999. Next card is from the New York Giants, the Super Bowl bound New York Giants. That's Justin Tuck. That looks like it is $8.99 out of $9.99. And the first hit, oops, excuse me, one more card, sorry. Wait, Junior Seau again. Look at that. This one is 123 out of 300. Pretty cool. 2 base parallels in the same pack. Okay, now the first hit. Howie Long for the Oakland Raiders patch. It is number 4 out of 27. Howie Long for the Oakland Raiders. And the next one is an autographed Triple Threads patch of Edmund Gates, the Miami Dolphins. That is numbered 66 out of 70. All right. It's the first pack right there. Second pack. Again, I will rearrange the cards so that the hits are on the back. Oh, let me do this. Looks like this is upside down. All right. Great. So this is upside down. First card is Philip Rivers, and that is out of $9.99. 770 out of $9.99. San Diego Chargers. Andre Johnson for Houston Texans, and that is number 55 out of 250. Andre Johnson. Next card is Kelvin Johnson. Kelvin Johnson out of $9.99 for the Detroit Lions. The next card. This is a Chargers box. Next one is Stan Matthews. Whoa, it's getting a little curved there. And that is out of $9.99. A little focus problem here. Ryan Matthews. Oh, I think. Yeah, that's $6.95 out of $9.99. Next card is Gale Sayers 298 out of 300. Chicago Bears, Gale Sayers.